Hey, Namaskaram. How are you all? I hope you are doing safe. Just be safe, be joyful, and keep smiling. Just be safe and stay home. Fine. Okay, let's continue with our discussion. Right now we are in what we are studying is sixth standard, chapter 2, physical quantity and measurement, and we are in lecture 3. So this means that we have already completed first two lectures simply about measurements, and next one with the previous episode which we have studied was all about units and how do we actually write units, conventions, rules and regulation related how to write unit. And today's goal, today what we are interested in, see, what we have to study is we have to study 4 different physical quantities: length, mass, time and temperature. So what we'll do is we'll start with length, and today what we'll discuss is different units of length, and their interrelations. So what, I'll just give you a brief idea, that what we will study. We will study different units of length and their interrelation. Means we'll see that the unit of length are many, like meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter, yard, foot, inch and all. Means there are so many units of length. And what we'll do is we'll try to learn how do we convert meter into kilometer, kilometer into millimeter, centimeter into yard, meter into foot, foot into inch and so on. Means this is what we are trying to learn. We'll try to discover what are different types of units, and then we'll try to find relation between these kinds of unit. Is it clear? Okay, fine, we'll start now. See, first we'll start with SI system. In SI system, in standard international system, unit of length is meter, M-E-T-R-E, represented by symbol small m. Now, this is the SI unit of meter, fine. But at the same time, there are some units which are bigger than meter. Bigger than meter means multiple of meter. The units which are bigger than meter, are called multiples of meter. Whereas units which are smaller than meter, are called sub-multiples of meter. Bigger units are called multiples. Smaller units are called sub-multiples. Fine. Now let's see. Now what we can have is, now please note, now units bigger than meter, that is multiple of meter. Multiple of meter is one unit is there which is called kilometer. That is called kilometer. And 1 kilometer, see, 1 kilometer is a bigger unit. Just try to understand. 1 kilometer is a bigger unit of meter, is a multiple of meter. This is bigger unit, and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is a bigger unit of meter. How much bigger? 1000 times bigger. that is 1 kilometer is 1000 times bigger than meter, than 1 meter. Is this line clear or not? 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. That is, kilometer is a bigger unit. How much bigger? 1000 times bigger. Now this can also be written as and or. See, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Means 1 kilometer is 1000 times bigger than meter. So can we write over here, which implies this 1000 can come down and we can write 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. If 1 kilometer is 1000 times bigger than meter, please try to listen. Shanti. If 1 kilometer is 1000 times bigger than meter, can we not say oppositely, 1 meter is 1000 times smaller than meter? That is, उल्टा बोल रहे हैं. अगर किलोमीटर मीटर से बड़ा है 1000 गुना, in other words we can also say that 1 meter is 1000 times smaller than 1 kilometer. So if it is bigger, we multiply. If it is smaller, we divide. If bigger, we multiply by 1000. If smaller, we divide by 1000. Is it clear? Among meter is a SI unit, forget about it. We have a unit bigger than meter called kilometer, which is a bigger, means 1 kilometer is equals to how much bigger? 1000 times. That is 1 kilometer is 1000. And on the contrary, we can also say that meter sorry, that is meter is a smaller unit than kilometer. Fine. Okay, now we'll solve certain numericals. Just copy this down. Just copy this down with you. Now we'll be solving these 4 questions. The question is, convert the following as indicated. Convert the following as indicated. Fine. Now just see. This is given 200 meter. You have to convert it into kilometer. 2639 meter, kilometer. This is in kilometer. You have to convert it into meter. This is kilometer. You have to convert it into meter. Let's solve. Solution. Solution number A. What is given? 200 meter. First you observe how to do, then you do it. First you just observe how to do it actually. So this 200 meter can be written as, see, we have already studied that any measurement can be written as into 2 terms, magnitude into unit, yes or no. 200 meter can be written as magnitude into its unit. Now, see, I have to convert this meter into kilometer. I have to convert this meter into kilometer. Meter into kilometer. Now just try to understand, meter is a smaller unit than kilometer. Meter is a smaller unit than kilometer. And how much small? Just now we have seen that 1 meter is smaller. How much smaller? 1000 times smaller than kilometer. Yes or no? 1 meter is a smaller unit than kilometer. How much smaller? 1 by 1000. So can I write like this? 200 into, now instead of 1 meter, I can write 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometer. So this 10 10 10 10 cancels out. I'll be left with 2 by 10 kilometer, which can be written as 0.2 kilometer. Is it clear or not? I hope it's very much clear. There's nothing to do about it. First you write the question, then write it in this manner. We can do it. Magnitude into its unit. Then 200, I have to convert this meter into kilometer. But I know that meter is a smaller unit. How much smaller? 1000 times smaller. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometer. So instead of 1 meter, I have just written 1000 kilometer. Then finally, cancel out 2 by 10, 0.2. Just shift the decimal place. Is it clear? So next, we'll solve first number B. So we'll solve number B. We have done this. 26.39. 26.39 meter. First, let me rub this. 26.39 meter. Can this be written as 26.39 into 1 meter? Now we have to convert this meter into kilometer. It's very simple. We know 1 meter is a smaller unit. How much smaller? 1 by 1000 kilometer. Because 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So just put it over here. So 26.39 by 1000. Below we have 3 zeros and its division. We'll shift the decimal place. 1, 2, 3. And the answer will be 0.02639 kilometer. Answer. I hope we are done. Done? Okay. Then we move on to the next question. I'm rubbing it. I hope you understand. Next. Question number C. Solution C. Let's try to follow. Let's try to follow first. 3 kilometer. I have to convert this into meter. So this can be written as 3 into 1 kilometer. 3 into, now see, I have to convert kilometer into meter. We know that kilometer is a bigger unit. Kilometer is a bigger unit of meter. How much bigger? It's 1000 times bigger. Because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So this can be written as 3 into 1000, 3000 meter. Answer. Clear? Very clear. Next, number D, which is 26.75 kilometer. So this can again be written as 26.75 into 1 kilometer. Now see, 1 kilometer is again a bigger unit. How much bigger? 1000 times bigger. So can I write 26.75 into 1000 meter? So this when multiply by 1000, the decimal place will shift on the right side. 1, 2, 3. One more 0 will come. So this will become 267500 meter. Answer. Is it clear or not? So the basic idea is, if you have to convert from kilometer to meter, you multiply by 1000, because kilometer is a bigger unit. From meter to kilometer, you divide by 1000. I hope it's very clear. Is it clear? Now you can just go to the PDF also. It will be very understanding to you. In the PDF, we have solved it. 2-3 more questions are there, but just for understanding, I have done it. Okay. Okay. Next we move on to the sub-multiple unit of meter. Unit of meter. Sub-multiple means smaller than meter. Number one is centimeter, METRE, and the other centimeter, and the other one is millimeter, meter. Now just try to understand that centimeter and millimeter are units smaller than meter, and 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. Centimeter is a smaller unit of meter. How much smaller? 100 times smaller. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 of a meter. Or this can also be written as, in other words, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. I hope this is clear. 1 centimeter is a smaller unit. How much smaller? 100 times smaller than meter. In other words, we can also say that 1 meter is 100 times bigger than meter. Now let's come to millimeter. Now millimeter is also 1 millimeter is a smaller unit of meter. 1 millimeter is a sub-multiple unit of meter. How much multiple? 1 by 1000 times. 1 millimeter is equals to 1000 times smaller than meter. Or in other words, we can say 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. I hope this is clear to you. 1 meter. Kilometer is a bigger unit. Then we have meter. Below meter we have centimeter, and below centimeter we have millimeter. I hope it's clear. Centimeter is a smaller unit. How much smaller? Just remember like this. Centimeter is a smaller unit. How much smaller? 100 times smaller than meter. Now this, in other words, means meter is a bigger unit than centimeter. How much bigger? 100 times. Similarly, millimeter is a smaller unit of meter. Acha. Then 1 millimeter is equals to how much smaller? 1 by 1000 times. So in other words, meter is a bigger unit than millimeter. How much bigger? 1000 times. 1 millimeter, 1 by 1000 of a meter. Or this. You just remember this. This can automatically be drawn from here. Clear? Chalo, we'll solve next questions. Okay, over here we have 4 questions and we'll try to solve them. So we'll start one by one. And we know how to write the answer. Solution. We write solution. Question A. What does it say? 20 centimeter we have to convert into meter. 20 centimeter is equals to how much meter? Let's do it. You know 20 centimeter can be written as 20 into 1 centimeter. This much we know, that this thing we had studied in first lecture. What did I say? Any measurement can be represented in 2 ways. Magnitude into its unit. Now we have to convert this 1 centimeter into meter. We have to convert centimeter into meter. Acha. This much we know, that centimeter is a sub-multiple unit. Means smaller than meter. How much smaller? 100 times smaller. If it is smaller, then we will divide. Because 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 of a meter. Now this will cancel with this. This will come out to be 20 by 10 meter. So if I just divide, I'll shift the decimal place. This will become 0.2 meter. Answer. That is 20 centimeter is actually equals to 0.2 meter. This is 0.2 meter. Is it clear? Chalo, we'll move on to the next question. Next is number B. What they have said? They have given in meter and I have written in centimeter. 6.21 meter is equals to 6.21 into 1 meter. Now see, we have to convert meter into centimeter. We know that centimeter is a smaller unit, but meter is a bigger unit. Meter is a bigger unit of centimeter. How much bigger? Meter, I have to convert meter into centimeter, but meter is a bigger unit. How much bigger? 6.21 into meter is a bigger unit of centimeter. How much bigger? 100 centimeter. That is, this is equals to 621 centimeter. That is 6.21 meter is equals to 621 centimeter. Answer. I hope it's clear. Clear? Clear. So next. 67400 millimeter. I have to convert this into meter. So let's do it. 67400 into 1 millimeter. Now this 1 millimeter can be written as 67400 into, I have to convert millimeter into meter. See, this much we know that millimeter is a smaller unit. Millimeter is a smaller unit of meter. How much smaller? 1 by 1000 of a meter. We have studied 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 1000 of a meter. So 1, 2, this will cancel out. I'll be left with 674 by 10, which is equals to 67.4 meter. Answer. Clear? Let's move on to the last part. So finally we have number 14, D. 14.21 meter is equals to how much? Millimeter. Let's do it. 14.21 into 1 meter. Now see, millimeter is a smaller unit, but meter is a bigger unit. Meter बड़ा है compared to millimeter. How much bigger? Meter is a bigger unit than millimeter. How much bigger? 14.21 into 1000 millimeter, which is equals to, if I multiply by 1000, 3 zeros decimal place, 14210 millimeter. Answer. I hope it's clear to you. कितना बच गया? I think we have already best. You can do it. Clear? We just left with one more thing. Let me complete it first. We just left with one more thing. Okay, let's finally wrap up the things. We'll just wrap up. Now the remaining two systems are FPS system, foot-pound system, and CGS system. Centimeter, gram, second. In foot system, length is measured in foot. Symbol FT. In CGS system, length is measured in centimeter. Symbol cm. Done. Khatam. But just remember these relations now. Other units of length are also there, and those are, number one is yard. Y-A-R-D. Yard. Symbol is YD. Then we have foot. F-O-O-T. Foot, which is FT. And then we have other smaller is inch, which is symbol is same only. It was symbol is same, inch. And then other one finally we have is centimeter. Why I am writing in this manner, just let you know. Let me TRE, centimeter, cm. Why I have written in this manner is because among these four, yard is the biggest. Among these four, इन चारों में से among these four biggest and centimeter is the smallest. Centimeter is the smallest. And now let's see, yard is bigger than foot. Foot is bigger than inch. Inch is bigger than centimeter. Just try to understand like this. Yard is bigger than foot. Foot is bigger than inch. Inch is bigger than centimeter. And 1 yard is equals to 3 foot. 1 yard is equals to 3 foot. Means 3 foot combined together to form 1 yard. This is the first relation. Next, foot is bigger than inch. Foot is bigger than inch. And 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. And finally, inch is bigger than centimeter. And 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. I hope you will remember all this. 1 yard is equals to 3 feet. 1 feet is equals to 12 inch. And 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter among these. So in total, so just how much time do we have? I think we are almost done. So I'll just leave it here for the time being. I'll just leave it. No, I will not leave it. I'll just give more 2 examples. I'll just solve it. I'll just solve it and give it to you. Just solve it. Wait. Chalo, we'll finally end with these 3 questions. Chalo. Solution is, what you have to say is 1 yard is equals to how much inch? Fine. Now see, 1 yard we just found. 1 yard is actually 3 foot, which is equals to 3 into 1 foot, and 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. So can we say 1 yard is equals to 36 inch? That is 1 yard is equals to 36 inch. Is it clear? 1 yard is equals to 3 foot. We just pointed out yard is bigger. Then 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. 12 into 3, 36 inch. Clear? Clear. Now, let's do this one. We know that 1 foot, I have to convert it into centimeter. So first I'll convert it into inch, then I'll convert it into centimeter. 1 foot is equals to 12 inch, which is equals to 12 into 1 inch. And 1 inch is equals to how much centimeter? Is equals to 2.54 centimeter. So you just multiply this, you will get the answer. How much is it? 2.54 into 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 5. And then 4, 5, 2. Then you add it 8, 4, 0, carry 1, 3. I have 2 decimal place. 2 decimal place. 30.48 centimeter answer. Clear? Clear. Now here I have to convert 1 yard into meter. Let's do it. We know 1 yard is equals to 3 foot, which is equals to 3 into 1 foot. Just now we saw that 1 foot is equals to 12 inch, which is equals to 36 inch, which is equals to 36 into 1 inch. 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. When you convert it into centimeter, how much will it be? Just let's calculate. 2.54 into 36. 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 5 are 30. 30 plus 3, 33. Carry 3. 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 3 6 are 18. Carry 1. 3 5 are 15. Carry 6. Carry 1. 6 7. Sorry. 7. Add it up. 6, 8 to 1, 6. How much? Just a minute. Did I make some mistake? I think I made some mistake. 6, 3, 8, 11, carry 1. 6, 12, 12, 2, carry 1. 8, 9. I did some mistake. I think I made some mistake. What mistake did I do? I don't know. Just a minute. 6 2s are 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 5 are 30, 30 plus 3, carry 3. I don't know what I'm doing. 11 to 92 point something I'm getting. So this turn out to be 92 point, but I'm not getting mine. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Just a minute. Oh. This is 5.4, 2.54. Sorry, this was 2.54. So this will come out to be around 2 over here. The answer will be around 91 point something. Let's do it. 2.54 into 36. 6 4s are 24, carry 2. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32, carry 3. 15. 3 4s are 12, 2, carry 1. 3 5s are 15, 16, carry 1. 7. This is down 4, 4, 1, 9. Yes, now it's correct. And we have a decimal place over here after 2 digit. And put a decimal after 2 digit. So answer will be 91.44 centimeter. And again, I have to convert this into meter. 1 centimeter is smaller unit of meter. How much smaller? 100 times smaller. So can I write 1.44 into 1 by 100 meter? This will come out to 0.9144 meter answer. देखो समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Just try to understand. ठीक है? We'll end it over here. I know you will have many doubts after this. Just try to watch it once again so that it will be clear. Because this is very fundamental. This thing is very fundamental. You must know it very. You should have a proper command over it. Fine. Sure. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead.